In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facetime Shareplay. Whether you're looking to watch a movie with a friend, listen to the latest album together, or enjoy a funny TikTok, Facetime Shareplay lets you connect in real time with someone over a virtual space. Let's dive into the steps to get you started on this engaging digital experience. First, you'll need to start a Facetime call. To do this, open your Facetime app on your Apple device. The person you're connecting with also needs to have an Apple device and the Facetime app for this to work seamlessly. Start a video call with them, setting the stage for your SharePlay session. Once you're connected on Facetime, the next step is to swipe up on your device screen. You're looking to open an app that supports SharePlay. This could be Apple TV, Apple Music, or even third-party apps like Disney Plus or TikTok. These apps offer a variety of content, so you'll have plenty to choose from depending on what mood you're in. Now that you've opened a supported app while on the call, select the content you're interested in. It could be a new episode of a series, a playlist, or a trending video. Once you select what you want to share, the app will prompt you to tap SharePlay. This simple action allows you to start sharing the content with everyone who's on the call. It's as easy as a single tap and you're ready to begin your shared experience. As you initiate SharePlay, the people you're connected with will receive a notification. This notification invites them to join SharePlay. All they need to do is accept, and they'll be able to watch or listen along with you perfectly in sync. It's like being together in the same room while enjoying the content. One of the best features of SharePlay is shared control. Once the session is underway, everyone on the call can take part in managing the playback. If someone wants to pause, play, or skip a part, they have the ability to do so. And the best part, SharePlay ensures everything remains synchronized across all devices, so nobody misses a beat or a crucial scene. So, sit back and enjoy a seamless and interactive experience. Whether it's a movie night, a casual chat, or a co-listening session, SharePlay enhances your time together. Remember, this feature allows you to share moments no matter the distance, creating a more connected digital experience. I hope this guide simplifies using FaceTime SharePlay for you and brings you closer to family and friends through shared experiences. Enjoy the possibilities and happy sharing!